Hi everyone, so this is my update for Sprint 9. I focused on improving the suggested routes page, navigation page, as well as the report hazards page. So on the front end, I updated the home page, navbar, and routing components, as well as route sheet. I also worked on the suggest routes and navigation page, including session storage, and I fixed geolocation behavior. I also improved the route panels and added theme aware and dark mode styling along with the cleaner desktop layout. On the backend, I stabilized application startup, improved routing reliability, and I also refined the CSV data loader, as well as updating the routes API. I also resolved issues related to hazard reporting WebSocket service as well. So for the documentation for the final report and presentation, I created 9 diagrams in total, which includes the use case diagram, state machine diagram, deployment diagram, etc. So they're all UML and system diagrams. For the remainder of the sprint, I'll be supporting other team members with UI work on the Find Buddy page, as well as continuing improvements across multiple features of the application, especially the navigation page. Thank you.
I'm Karim Joseph, and for this week, we finally fixed the hazard issue, me alongside. So there was a few issues with the real time. So right now you can add hazards, recent hazards, and it'll be visible, but it doesn't show on the map. So I'm working on that right now along with Priyanka. And also I've been looking into for when you sign up. So we didn't add a feature where you send an email for the users to register through. It's like a 2-step verification. So we're planning to add that. And I was working on the routing as well alongside Huda a bit. Just a few. Then mainly right now I'm focusing on, it's almost done. I'm doing that, but we started working on the buddy page as well. Front end is a bit done, but we're trying how to implement the back end, to be honest. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Huda Ibrahim from Group 2 this week 11. This week we are focusing on the UI enhancement and making sure all the core function is working fine. This week I work on the suggested routes and fix the routing issues that we have, and the fastest one is working fine now, and with the safety layer on top. And I'll continue working with the safest one to make sure it's working fine. Then I will apply the personalized safety scores for this logic, and create a page for the user to edit his personalized safety scores. And also I enhanced the page to differentiate clearly between the cyclist and the walking routes, and also for the colors of fastest and safest one to be clearly differentiated. And finally, me and Hina created the template for the final report, and we will send it to review from the mentors. Thank you.
Hello, this is week 11, and in this week we are working together to troubleshoot and fixes the issues we are facing on our Safe Path app. And the feedback we have received last week, we started working on that, and I worked on enhancing the UI of a homepage to improve clarity, consistency, and overall user experience. I collaborated with Karan on the buddy page and the buddy profile UI enhancements, aligning them with the app's visual style and interaction patterns. I also started working with Huda on preparing the final report template. I started drafting the documentation for the final report, and ensuring the structure matches the project and the academic requirements. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sai Priyanka Basa Shankar from Group 2. This week we did a lot of changes in the UI. Basically, it was all hard coded, so we just changed it into using CSS variables. And yeah, I implemented dark light mode and was done with that, but still we made few changes in all the pages. And I was also working on Hazard page with Karan. We are done with Hazard, but the hazards are not showing up on the map. So we are trying to figure out how to do that and hopefully finish it before Friday. Thank you.